What's up everybody, Dees here, and today we're going to be doing a Keto Marinade. So let's jump right into it. So what you're going to need is you're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. Now, if you don't like the heat, you can always remove something. 1 tablespoon of allspice, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. We need a couple of other items, so let's move this out of the way. Now, you're gonna need half a cup of low sodium soy sauce, you're gonna need 1 cup of mustard, and you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, or whatever oil you're actually using on your keto diet. Now 2 tablespoons of roasted garlic, and if you do have it around, 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. If not, it's optional. So let's get these things in the bowl. So we'll start off with our 1 cup of mustard, there we go. We're gonna go ahead and now put our avocado oil, and then we're also gonna put in our soy sauce. Low sodium preferred, but if you don't have it around, I guess you just gotta use what you gotta use. And if you do have this kicking around, some liquid smoke. We're gonna go ahead and put our black pepper in, our chili flakes, our chili powder, our allspice, our paprika, and our salt. Let's get that mixed up. Oh yeah, and our garlic. Now we can get it mixed up. So what you can do with this marinade is you can use it for beef, you can use it for chicken, you can use it for fish if you'd like as well. I'm gonna be using beef today, and I'm gonna be actually doing little kebabs on the barbecue. So I already cut them up into small cubes. I'm gonna go ahead and put the marinade over it. Now, in a perfect world, you'd wanna let this marinade overnight, but if you don't have time, I'd say the least amount of time you could probably do is probably about 30 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna let it sit for at least 4 hours today. Let's get that all coated. And let's start. So I got my baking tray out, I got my skewers, and I got my marinade that's been sitting with these beef cubes for the last 4 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and skewer these pieces of meat up and get it ready for the barbecue. Now, if you don't want to use this for a barbecue, you could use it in the Instapot. You could use this in your oven. You could even use this in a normal pan and just fry it up if you'd like. But it's summer, barbecue season, why not? All right. So there we go. I'm gonna head out to the barbecue, put these on the grill, and let the magic happen. All right. So got a barbecue heated up. I'm gonna throw these on. Not gonna show you too much about the process, but you can clearly see that they're cooking. They're getting golden brown. And before you know it, you got an amazing keto marinade, beef kebabs. Can't ask for anything more. So we'll get this all done with. You guys can start making it, using it, and I'm about to just go eat it. Now keep on watching the videos. Try to post everything every Sunday. Keep on hitting that like button, and for those who always leave comments, you know that I respond to your comments, so keep doing that. We're gonna keep on having fun with this. Thanks for watching.